rise and say the prayer. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Yes, children, slowly open your eyes. Yes. In the last class, we have solved the exercise of the funny bunny rabbit. So we have completed all the lessons. Okay. So now the last chapter is there is one listening task. So all of you open page number 49 in your textbook. This page, listening task. Here they have given some dialogues. So you need to just listen carefully and learn how to read this. Okay. Yes. Listening task. Ravit's Holi. Listen to these dialogues. Read by your teacher. So I will read the dialogues here. So listen it carefully. Ravit, Mummy, look at the shop. Mummy, look at the shop. It has balloons and pichkaris. Buy me a pichkari and a packet of balloons, please. So here Ravit's Holi. This dialogues is about related to the Holi. Okay. So one day what happened? Ravit went to the market with his mother. So there Ravit saw one shop. So he said that, Mummy, look at that shop. There was a one shop. So look at that shop. It has a balloons and pichkaris. It has in that shop, what is there? Some balloons and pichkaris. What do you mean by pichkaris? Water gun. Yes, water gun. Buy me a pichkari and packet of balloons, please. Okay. So pichkari means water gun. In the Holi, during the Holi, you can use the pichkaris to play the Holi. Yes. Mother, of course I will. ಸೊ ಈ ರವಿತ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಪಿಚ್ಕಾರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಲೂನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಸು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಏನಂದ್ರು, ಅಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ರವಿತ್, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಚ್ಕಾರಿ. ಸೊ ರವಿತ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಚ್ಕಾರಿ. ಮಮ್ಮಿ ನಂಗೆ ಈ ಪಿಚ್ಕಾರಿ ಬೇಕು. ವಾಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಬೇಕು, ನನ್ಗಿದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದು ಆ ರವಿತ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮದರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ. ಮದರ್, ವೇಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಡಿ. ವೇಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಡಿ. ರವಿತ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಚ್ಕಾರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಚ್ಕಾರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಶಾಪ್ ಕೀಪರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಗಡಿ ಓನರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಅದರ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನ ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಶಾಪ್ ಕೀಪರ್ ಆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವನು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ 50 rupees ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 50 rupees ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆ ಪಿಚ್ಕಾರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 50 rupees. Yes, next turn the page. Ravit, Mummy, I want a packet of balloons and some watercolors too. ಮತ್ತೆ ರವಿತ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಪಿಚ್ಕಾರಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೊಂದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಏನದ? I want a packet of balloons and some watercolors. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ some packet of balloons. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಲೂನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿ ಚಲ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಹೋಲಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ he asked that also. Mother, to the shopkeeper, please give a packet of balloons, red, yellow and blue watercolors. ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ ಗೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡು, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಲೂನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡು. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? ರೆಡ್, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೂ. ರೆಡ್, ಬ್ಲೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ watercolors. Ravit, I also want to buy a packet of gulal to play with Papa and you. I also want to buy a packet of gulal. ಮಮ್ಮಿ ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಲಾಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಕಲರ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಗುಲಾಲ್. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಲಾಲು ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಪ್ಪಾಗ ಹಚ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದು ರವಿತ್ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಮದರ್, ಟು ದಿ ಶಾಪ್ ಕೀಪರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ these watercolors and some gulal. Okay, fine. Shopkeeper, please give some watercolors and the gulal. Shopkeeper, yes ma'am, here they are. The shopkeeper said that, yes ma'am, sure, and here are they. The gulal is here and some watercolors are here. Mother, How much do I pay for all this? How much do I pay for all this? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಮಾನನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡು ಐ ಪೇ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ನಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, shopkeeper said 130 rupees only ma'am. The shopkeeper said that 130 rupees only. 130 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 130 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವನು ಹೇಳಿದ. ಮದರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಓಕೆ ತಗೋ ಅಂತಂದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ these are the dialogues. So when you went to the shop, how you need to conversation, how you do the conversation with the shopkeeper. First adrada rate keltiri. Yes, so you need to practice these dialogues in home. Okay children, and also they have given some question answers here. These all are in your textbook only, so just try to find it out. Remaining I will send you. Okay, with whom did Ravit go to the market? With his mother. Ravit go to the market with his mother. What did he see there? He saw a shop. What did Ravit ask for? What did Ravit ask for? Ravit asked for balloons and pichkaris. Okay. What was the cost of pichkari? The cost of pichkari is 50 rupees. 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. Next. So remaining 3 you try. Okay, to try in your home. Yes children. Okay, here is the worksheet 2. So it is linked between the lesson number 5 to 8. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ರಿಂದ 8ನೇ ಲೆಸನ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes, so which is your 5th lesson? That is a letter from Japan, the little fir tree, and what is pink, and funny bunny rabbit. So these 4 lessons include this worksheet 2. So can we solve this worksheet? Yes, worksheet 2. Open page number 50, worksheet 2. Yes, in that the A may fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Here I will write it only answer children. The first one, a man dash the goat leaves from the fir tree. Fir tree intra man ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? A man stole the ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕದಿಯೋದು, ಕಳ್ಳತನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. So stole. A man stole the gold leaves from the little fir tree. Second one, funny bunny rabbit found a, what did the funny bunny rabbit found? A cabbage. So what is the spelling of cabbage? C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. A funny bunny rabbit found a cabbage. Third one, grass is dash. What is the color of the grass? Grass is green. So you need to write it here, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Fourth one, the Navratri festival is held in. When the Navratri festival we celebrate? During in the month of September or October. Okay. So September or October. Next, fifth one, dolls with the swords and bows, arrows are called dash dolls. ಈಗ ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳು ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣಗಳನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಲ್ಸ್? ವಾರಿಯರ್ ಡಾಲ್ಸ್. ವಾರಿಯರ್, WARRIOR, warrior. Warrior dolls. Yes, these are the answers of fill in the blanks. Next, B may write T for the true statements and F for the false statement. The first one, the rabbit's house was small. The rabbit's house was small. True or a false? True. Second one, an orange is just an orange. An orange is just an orange. Yes, true. Third one, the god of the forest heard the fir tree. True or a false? Yes, it is true. Fourth one, the festival of dolls begins on 3rd March. Correct? Yes, true. Fifth one, paper kites are hung inside the house. Paper kites are hung inside the house. Is it true? No, false. Because the paper kites are hung outside the house. It hung on the terrace of the house. Yes. Okay. And C-main answer the following questions. Why did not the fir tree like its green leaves? Because the green leaves are very sharp like a needle. So that's why the fir tree did not like the green leaves. Second one, how did the little bee help Funny Bunny Rabbit? How did the little bee help Funny Bunny Rabbit? The little bee started to startling at the Mr. Goat nose, ears and its tail. Okay, so like this the little bee helped the rabbit. What is blue? The sky is blue. Which dolls did Mickey have in her house? Some dolls with the bows, arrows. These are the warrior dolls. Okay, and some ministers and some national heroes dolls are there in the Mickey's house. Name 3 other festivals of Japan. Name 3 other festivals of Japan. So can you tell me 3 other festivals of Japan? New Year's Day, Cherry Blossom Festival, Buddha's birthday. Okay, these are the festivals of Japan. Yes, children. So this is the worksheet 2. So please write down these answers. So please write down these answers. Okay. Yes. Okay. Shall we go to the revision worksheet? The answers, if I write here, means it is not clear. So I will send you the answers in the WhatsApp. So here only we'll solve the fill in the blanks. Okay. Yes, this one is completed. Now we'll move to the revision worksheet. So write down these all answers. Now we'll solve the revision worksheet. Okay, in that write the plurals of these words. Write the plurals of these words. So do you know that what is singular and what is plural? So you need to write the plural words. So if you add yes or es or ies means the words will become the plural. So here batch, batches. Yes, you need to add es. Next, second one. Dress, dresses. Third one. Game, games. G-A-M-E-S, games. Fourth one. Doll, dolls. Fifth one, army, armies. ARMIES, armies. Sixth one, dish, dishes. DISHES, dishes. Okay. Next, rhyming words. Write the rhyming words. Okay. So, the B main rhyming words. In that first one, dry, cry. Dry, cry. Second one, heel, steal. Heel, steal. Third one, B-C. B-E-E-B-S-E-E-C. Fourth one, guest, fest. Guest, fest. F-E-S-T, fest. Okay. Next, C main, underline the names of a people and places in these sentences. Names of a people and the places you need to underline. Okay, first one. Reena writes a letter. C main, the first one. Reena writes a letter. Which is the name of the person here? Reena. So you need to underline Reena. Next. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. ಇಲ್ಲಿ underline ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? Place. Underline the places. So Delhi is also one place and the India. It is also place. So underline Delhi and India. Third one. Mr. Mishra knows me very well. Mr. Mishra knows me very well. Here, which one you will underline? The name of a person. Mr. Mishra. Fourth one. The Ganga is a holy river. The Ganga is a holy river. So here, the Ganga. Name of a river. The Ganga. Next, fifth one. Soma lives in Kolkata. Soma lives in here. Here, the Soma is name of a person or a name of a people. Soma. S-O-M-A. Lives in Kolkata. Kolkata is the name of a place. So underline Kolkata. Yes. So these are the names of a people and the names of a places. Yes, children. Next, coming to the D main, rewrite the words which should begin with the capital letters correctly. So, whenever you begin the words, it should be start from a capital letter. So, here, school, they have given in the small letters. So, which letter you make it a capital here? Yes. So, yes should be in the capital letter. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. So, like this, rewrite all the words with the capital letters. Begin with the capital letters. School, cat, Ashok, India, Leela, camel, Tuesday, Raman, horse, Taj Mahal. Okay? Can you write like this? Yes. Next, answer the any 5 questions. They have given 8 questions here. Out of the 8, answer only 5 questions. So, if you answer all the questions, no problem. Answer all the questions. Okay. So, here see it. Did the cats get the bread in the end? The first question. No, the cats did not get the bread in the end. This is the answer. See here how I am written here like this. You also write like this in the given lines. Who were Rahul and Anju looking for? Rahul and Anju were looking for their pet dog Duke. Who found Duke? Rahul and Anju's mother, Mrs. Menon, found Duke. Yes, children, like this, write all the answers. Okay. So here your revision worksheet is completed. Okay. Write all the answers in the textbook and solve, copy it in your fair book. Okay. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.